I have some pork belly here. It's just raw, plain pork belly. I'm going to cut some up and we're going to make some delicious Vietnamese stir fry. As you see, I've sliced the pork belly and then I cut it like this to where it comes up into like lardons. So here's my pork belly. I'm going to season it with some pepper, brown sugar, 2 tablespoons, 3 tablespoons of fish sauce, 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, and get this all mixed up. And I'm going to go directly to my frying pan after this and just let this melt, the brown sugar melt in, and let this marinate for a few minutes while we go to the frying pan. My pan is cold. I just turned the heat on. I'm going to add some oil, about a tablespoon or so. I'm using, you can use vegetable oil. I'm using grapeseed oil. And 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. We're going to get this cooking. It's been going about 4 minutes. I'm on medium-low heat. What we're doing is we're making a Vietnamese caramel sauce, a very simplified version of it. If you want to know how to make the real caramel sauce that's a little bit more authentic, I do have a recipe on my channel how to do it. But it works quite well. And what we're doing, our object here is to get some dark streaks and into this brown sugar. And see one there, right here, there's a dark streak. And the pan's getting pretty hot. So it's time to go ahead and add our pork. So this pork has marinated for about 5-6 minutes, you know. It marinated for a couple minutes longer than I've been doing the caramel sauce. And we're going to cook this 10 or 15 minutes. As you're cooking this, at first you'll get like clumps of sugar up here, and that will eventually melt off, or you can just use a spoon and make it go back into the sauce. And I'm on medium heat now. I started on medium low, and the pork is very well flavored now. With all this cooking, the sauce is reducing. So now we're going to add in 2 cups of hot water. I have hot water over here to your right. My ladle is half a cup. So now I'm going to cook this another 15 minutes. Maybe longer, 20. This is going to help tenderize it, make it all nice and tender, and we'll put a lid on it. We'll check it at 15 minutes. It's been 15 minutes. So I'm going to let this go about another 5 minutes without the lid, just to reduce the sauce. Let's give this a try. It smells wonderful. Very, very nice. Salty and sweet. How could you go wrong? I mean, tender, delicious. Thank you so much for watching.